Good morning. It feels warm today. I like mornings like this. Today is school. I feel a little nervous, but I can be brave.
Good morning, sweetheart. It is time to get ready for school. I made your favorite breakfast.
Okay, it is time. I can do this today. I will try my best.
Eat well, sweetheart. Big days need strong hearts. You will do great.
Big days can feel heavy, but you are stronger than you think. I believe in you.
It is really here. My heart feels fast, but I can go. It starts now. I need to think. I can try. This one looks hard. I do not know the answer. I feel stuck. Oh. I got it wrong. Mom will be sad. It feels different now. I do not want to show it. Maybe I can hide it. No one saw. I will put it inside. It will stay here.
I love our dinner time together. It is my favorite part of the day. I feel so lucky. How was school today? Did something fun happen? I want to hear everything.
School was good today. Nothing bad happened. Everything was fine. I told them it was fine. They believed me. But it was not true.
I am proud of you. You always tell me the truth. Good night, my brave girl.
Mom trusts me. I did not tell the truth. It feels bad inside. It is still there. I cannot forget it. I wish I told the truth. I do not like this feeling. It feels heavy. I am sorry. Morning again. I still remember. It feels different. I am not very hungry. I think I am just tired. It is nothing.
You know what makes a person strong? Being honest, even when it is hard. That always matters.
Honest. He said honest. It is hard.
Please remember to bring your test paper tomorrow. It needs your parents' signature. Do not forget, okay?
I forgot about that. What will I do now? It is getting bigger. I will move it. No one will see it there. It is safer now.
Sophia, you seem a little quiet. Is everything okay?
Sophia, look at me. Are you sure everything is okay? You can be honest with us.
I am just tired today. School was normal. Nothing special.
Let's make your room nice and clean. It feels better when everything is tidy. I will check your bag too.
Wait. I can do it. It is okay. It is okay, Mom. I can clean it. I will do it myself.
You seem very protective of that bag. Is there something inside? You can tell me. Sophia, this is not like you. When you hide something, I can feel it. I just want to understand.
It is nothing. I just want to clean it. Please.
When I was your age, I made a mistake too. I was scared to tell.
It feels heavy. I do not like this feeling. It hurts inside. I do not want to lie anymore, but I am scared to tell. I feel so small.
A school email this early? That is unusual. Let me see. This is from Sophia's teacher. It is about a math test. Oh, the teacher says Sophia brought home a test. And it needed our signature. We never signed anything.
The score was low. Very low. And she never told us. Okay, we are not getting upset. We are going to listen first. Sophia? Sweetheart, can you come down for a minute? We just want to talk.
Come sit with us. It is okay. Sophia, do you want to tell me something?
I did not show you the test. I was scared. I thought you would be upset. I am sorry. I did not want to hide it. I just felt scared inside. I did not want to disappoint you.
Oh, sweetheart, you could never disappoint us. We care about you more than any test. Mistakes are okay, but hiding things breaks trust. And trust is very special in our family.
Sophia, we are not upset about the score. We just want you to be brave with us.
Sissy, okay? I did not want to disappoint you. I thought you would think I am not good. I wanted to be perfect.
You do not have to be perfect. We love you when you succeed. And we love you when you struggle.
I do not want to hide things again. I will tell you, even if I am scared. I promise.
We are proud of you. Thank you for being brave.
Next time, we face it together. No hiding, just honesty. And we grow from it.
Mistakes are how we learn. This number is not scary. You are stronger than this page.
It is just numbers. I can think slowly. I am not hiding.
You did not give up. That is what brave looks like. And I see it in you.
Yay, Sophie! You do it! So smart! It feels different today. I am not hiding now. I am ready. It is just a quiz. I can think slowly. I am brave. Slow down. I can think. I am ready. It is better. I did this. I was not scared. Mom, I want to show you something. I did better this time. And I wanted to tell you first.
I am proud of you. Not because of the score, but because you chose honesty.
Fear makes small problems feel big, but honesty makes big problems feel small. And love stays, even when we make mistakes.